ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of natural language processing (NLP) technology that uses a deep learning model to generate text conversations. ChatGPT is based on the GPT-2 model, which was created by OpenAI. The original GPT-2 model was trained on a large amount of text data and was used to generate text, so ChatGPT takes this concept and applies it to the task of generating conversations. ChatGPT is able to generate natural-sounding conversations, which can be used in various applications such as customer service and virtual assistants. It is able to generate responses that are appropriate for the context of the conversation and can also learn from user interactions and improve its responses over time. ChatGPT is an exciting development in the field of natural language processing as it makes it easier to create conversational agents with human-like interactions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, and it could be the future of customer service and virtual assistant technology. 5 benefits about ChatGPT. 1. Increased efficiency. ChatGPT enables users to quickly and easily access information and resources, eliminating the need for multiple conversations and the back and forth between people. 2. Automation. ChatGPT can automate mundane tasks that are otherwise time-consuming and costly. This could include customer service inquiries, order processing, or other customer-facing activities. 3. Cost savings. ChatGPT eliminates the need for human labor and can reduce the costs associated with customer service and other customer-facing tasks. 4. Improved user experience. ChatGPT can provide a more personalized user experience through its natural language processing capabilities. This includes understanding user intentions and providing more accurate results. 5. Scalability. ChatGPT can be scaled up quickly to meet customer demands, allowing businesses to remain agile and competitive in the market.